Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Math with Amina. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so as not to miss interesting questions that we are solving. The second question that has appeared from chapter 1 in the past papers is this. As you can see in here, we are asked to calculate 8.24 plus 2.56 over 1.26 minus 0.72. So you can use your calculator if you're allowed in the exam. Otherwise, if you're not allowed, you can do it simply as well. In here, as you can see, we have to write both the numbers and we have to align the decimal with the decimal so that when doing the addition, we do not face any problem or we do not do it wrongly. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, so 0 gets here and 1 is given to this number. So 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, and in here 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, so we get 10.80. and in the denominator, if we do the subtraction, so 6 minus 2, we get 4, and in here it is 2 minus 7, so we cannot subtract 7 from 2, so we borrow a digit, or we borrow 1 from the unit place. This is the unit place, this is tens place, and this is the hundreds place. So in here we borrow 1 from the unit place to the tens place. It becomes 12. So from 12, if we subtract 7, we are left with 5. And in here, since we borrowed 1, we are left with 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Therefore, in the denominator, we get 0.54. Now again, if you're allowed to have a calculator in your exam, you can put these values and you get the answer. Otherwise, I believe it's pretty easy if you are practiced with the long division method. However, since we are having the values in decimal to make the long division easier for us and without any mistakes, we make these decimal or decimal values into whole values. There are two ways to that. We move the decimal point to 2 places right. In here we have decimal here, so it moves 1 place in here and 2 places here, so it becomes 1080, a whole number. In the denominator, this also we move the decimal point to 2 places right, so first it gets here, and in here when we put it, we get 54. Or another method, in order to make it a whole number, we multiply 10.80 by 100 and also multiply 0.54 by 100, and we get 54 and 1080, and then we can easily do the long division. So 54 multiplied by 2 is equal to 108, and then only 0 is remaining, so we bring down 0. 54 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, and no remainder left. What we get, the answer in the quotient, we get 20. So 20 is our answer. I hope the concept is getting clear. That's all for this question. Happy learning.